Hi guys, have you ever wanted to learn how to paint a picture like this in oils in just one day? Well, just click the link above and I'll take you straight to my YouTube channel that will show you how to do that. My name is Mark Terrell, Bob Ross and Bill Alexander painting instructor, and on my channel you'll find lots and lots of step-by-step how-to videos of how to paint a picture like this in one day. The problem you see is most people go to college, art college, unis and so on, and try and learn from studying from books, only to be disappointed with the poor results they get. A lot of people even think you need lots of drawing skills to be able to picture like this in a day, and it's simply not true. Just click the link above or click the link below and it'll take you straight over to my channel, and let's get started together. It's much easier than you really think, I'll guarantee it.